Okay, we have the Thompson Performance ratchet shifter, shift gate for the staple style shifter that's used in the 68 to 72 Camaros and Chevelles and 68, 69 Palace. But and you can see this one is actually a Camaro shifter. So here's their new shift gate. It's pretty trick. This is the 3-speed one, and the way it works, this is park, reverse, neutral, drive. It's going to lock in drive. Then you'll have second and low 1. So, and it's going to work like a ratchet shifter. So let's install it first of all on the shifter. And it's got two threaded holes. Use quarter 20 bolts. If you buy it from us, you'll get the bolts. If you buy it from somebody else, I'm not sure. Okay. Now when we set this up, we're going to set it up. We're going to do our adjustment, our cable adjustment. And what you do is you want the one in the back is fixed, the bolt, but the one in the front has some adjustment. I like to, with the handle at rest, I like to bring it up so that it's so that the gate is, touching the bottom of drive. And this is for the 350 and the 400. So I just tighten it up there. Tighten it up there. I think this one I'd probably I'd make sure it's pretty tight, and I might even put some Loctite on those bolts. Okay. So now at the other end we have our transmission, and we're going to use a turbo 350. Then we're going to put the fan bracket on. We're going to use the same one I used for the 700R4, because we have all these different holes in it, that, so that it's set up right. Now, if you have the Turbo 400, you're going to use the very end hole over here, and this hole over here. You're not going to use the long slot. You're going to use the long slot if you got the 350. We're going to tighten up these bolts a little bit. We're just, for here we don't have to worry about it being too tight. Okay, we got our 350. And we'll bring the cable shifter over. We'll connect the cable. It's a well-used clip, that's why it works so well. Okay, park, reverse, neutral, drive. Let's drive, and we'll tighten it up. We're going to make our little measurement here, and we're pretty much at 5.5, maybe 5 3/8, which is good. That's where we want to be. I'll put my pin in there so we don't fall out. Should have had the pin 90 degrees the other way, but anyway. Okay, so now we're hooked up at the tranny. Back here at the shifter, we're in drive, and this detent locks it in drive. You can't push it into neutral like you can with the regular factory detent or any of the ones we make. So you go up into drive, or park, I'm sorry. It's up into park, and it rests up there nicely. And you go reverse, neutral, drive. You go all the way back into low 1. And basically what you're going to do in low 1 is you're going to squeeze the handle up and push forward. And it's going to stop at second. You drop it, and then you push forward. Now you're locked into drive. So go back into low 1. If you just push forward, you're gonna go all the way into drive. So you gotta lift the handle up. It's gonna hit the top gate. Bang. Second gear. You let go. Then you push forward for third. And that's how it works. It's pretty cool. Works good.